So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this super layered look using this wig I got from perfectlacewigs.com. They sent it to me in about a 22 inch, and I'll put all the specs and the details as to how you can find this wig down below because I love it. It looks so good, especially with the new cut. It's very shiny. It's not it holds a curl fairly well. The only thing that I had that was like a little bitty thing that I didn't like is that it snags a bit. It's no matting. It's not really tangled. It'll just, you'll try to run your fingers through it and you'll come across like a little trouble area, but it's nothing that you can't get out with your fingers. It started off about 22 inches. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how I layered the wig to give it more pizzazz. I was going for more of that new Rihanna look. She's been wearing lots of like layered, natural looks, and I was going for something similar to that. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and we're going to get right into how I cut it and installed it. See you guys later. Bye.
Okay, so to start off, I'm creating my guide by placing a triangle in the front of the hair with the peak in the center. Here, I'm going to cut my shortest layer, which is going to frame my face, and then the rest of the layers are going to be based off of this layer. So I'm going to part sections to the side of this middle piece and direct them towards that middle piece and create kind of like a slant with my razor comb going down the hair. This is going to keep the layers kind of like in a slope, and it's going to look really good when the hair is curled. Now I'm going to keep doing this until I get to the section where my ear would be, and I'll just clip the rest of the hair back and continue to cut in that slant until I get to that section. I like using a razor comb because it gives lighter, more feathery layers than if I use scissors. Now taking the entire crown and pulling it up, this is going to allow me to add layers to the back, and I'm going to razor the hair in that same slant going upwards to kind of carry the layers through. And once you're done, you want it to be an even slope like this, and if you'd like to, you can trim the base to give it a more even base layer. Now to make the curls pop, I'm just going to go through and add in some curls with my 1.5 inch barrel curler. And after I get the curl off of the barrel, I like to clip it in place, and this just allows for the hair to cool in like an upright position, which adds so much volume. Then just give it a little blast of the setting spray. And once it's cooled down, I take all of the curls down and then I kind of brush through them, and this is when you can go in and create all of the shape. I'm just showing you how I create shape. Here I'm creating a side part, but I ended up switching the part to the middle for the install. And here you can just see how beautiful these curls are.
So today I'm going to use the stocking cap method. Per usual, I've tried to... Oh my god! I've tried to do like other methods or kind of skip it sometimes, but I always end up redoing my wig application. It's like once you start using it, you can't go back. I find when I do like just light blast and kind of it dries a lot faster than for me to just kind of blast it all the way around. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my powder just so it has a little extra time to cool down and I'm not wasting time. I put like a whole bunch of layers on the wig, and I'm kind of going for more of like one of like Rihanna's recent looks. She's been going for very feathery, natural colored hair, and I'm kind of here for it. It's very simple. It's really natural compared to some other looks that have been trendy this year. So I like it a lot. Okay, so do you guys see how this side is very melted into the skin and this side kind of has this white lip on it? That white lip is going to show through the wig, so I'm going to go around and tidy up those edges all the way across the cap. I've already trimmed the lace because this is my first time wearing the wig. I wanted to kind of test it out a bit before I made the video because I haven't worked with this company before. So let me just throw the wig on really quick. And I'm also going to adjust the straps just because I'm not gluing my wig on today, so I need all of the support I can get. If I'm gluing it on, I really don't need much else. So I'm just going to clip the hair back so we can kind of get an idea what the hairline is looking like. I want it exactly there. That's like perfect. Then I'm going to apply a generous coat of the Freeze Blast spray and hit it with my blow dryer just a little bit so that it's tacky. Now that that's a little bit tacky, I'm going to bring the middle point up and place that down first. And then I'm going to grab this ear tab and slide each side down. Alright, so I've had this sitting for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf off. So let's get into the baby hair. I'm going to clip these sides back. They lost a bit of volume with the scarf being on, so I'm going to hit those with the curling iron one more time. But for the baby hairs, I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming lotion. I put a little bit on the back of my hand and then take my little edge brush, and I always start in the middle. I don't know why, but you don't have to. I trimmed the baby hairs already. Like I said, I've worn this wig before, so I don't want to grab any of the super long hairs. I want to just grab those little baby hairs that I've trimmed already. And the good thing about wrapping lotion is that it doesn't make your edges look super hard. So this is the baby hair that I'm going to go with. So to hold the baby hairs in place, I'm just going to do a light spritzing of the hairspray. So I'm going to let this sit for maybe like a minute or two while we looking nice and crazy. And while that's sitting, I'm letting my curling iron heat up because I'm going to bump the hair just a little bit. Just give it a little bit more body. Okay. To add some body back in, I'm going to pop a curl right here in like the crown of the head. And this is just going to make the layers pop. To get the most body, you want to curl it with the roots lifted. I'm curling it going towards the back, but I'm over directing it towards the front, and that just helps me keep a bit of body in the base of the curl. Then I'm going to just drop it. And it looks crazy right now, but when we fluff it out, it's gonna be cute. On top, I go in and grab this first layer of hair, and I'm just gonna comb it going up to kind of add more volume into the roots. And then you want to clamp the hair and curl going back. When you clamp, make sure that you don't put any like marks in the hair. And then I just let that curl go and comb it going towards the back and push it up. And that's what kind of pushes those layers through. And here is the final look, guys. I really love this hair, and this is from perfectlacewigs.com. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Winnie Jean. I'm more active on there, so you saw this wig a long time ago if you follow me on Instagram. Make sure to find me there and subscribe. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.